Welcome to Hong Kong Ocean Park!
Let's go!
Welcome to Ocean Park! Teka.
Hong Kong Ocean Park.
Welcome to Hong Kong Ocean Park!
Let's go!
Oy, nagkita naman kayo ng paborito mong animal. May crocodile dyan. Yun, ang daming tao ngayon dito sa Ocean Park. Oh. Yun, daming mga pumapasok. Parang Disneyland din pala ito. Ayan guys, oh. Makita nyo doon. Oo, diba? So first things first, pag hindi ka pamilyar dito sa Ocean Park, Hong Kong, i-download nyo guys yung QR code na nakapost dyan sa labas. Ang ginawa ko naman, pinicturean ko na lang. Ayan. Tapos, generate nyo lang yung QR code para hindi kayo maliligaw. At masulit nyo ngayon yung time nyo na pamamasyal dito sa Ocean Park, Hong Kong. So dito yung cable cart nila, dyan yung papunta. Ito naman yung Grand Aquarium, oh. Sige, dito na tayo sa Grand Aquarium. Mga kababayan! Come on guys! Iyon, no? Nakakaway, nakasimangot naman, kaya yun.
10,999 Walang-wala sa aquarium ko, ganito lang niya.
Wala nga 1 meter yung aquarium mo eh. So, ang lalaki ng aquarium nila dito. Yeah! Finally, we're going inside. Oh, eto na. Nasa loob na kami ng aquarium. Oh. I think there's a fountain here. Let's go inside. Natutulog yung isa. O, tinan mo. Patagilid pala sila matulog. So, meron sila dito yung mga pangkolekta ng mga basura. Ayan ginagawa nila, i-recycle nila. At least they do something about it para manatiling malinis ang dagat, no? So close, mo.
Oh my gosh, I wanted to see the sharks, but that big stinger is so
You
huge.
see the grandma of Moana?
Wow.
Laki, oh. Wow. Nakso, yun ang laki, oh. Just like a bird. That is Moana's grandmom. So, bumili kami ng aming family picture dyan sa loob ng Ocean Park as our souvenir. Siyempre guys, it's our way of helping the ocean. Papasok kami dito sa may panda.
Para yung damit mo malamig.
It will make you cold. Fabric cooling mist. Let's go. Dalawa yung cage ng panda dito. Doon sa kabila, nakatago pa kasi. Nagkakain siya, nagkakain. May panda na, may monkey pa. Oh.
Long nostril.
Ayun oh. Oh, galing, lumulundag siya. Oh. Naglu-lu-lu.
Hello, Hermes. Feed me. Kiss. You like?
Oh, ano mga sabi niyo sa panda experience niyo, guys?
So cute, adorable. I want to buy one.
One. Yung totoong panda ang gusto ko.
Yeah, the real panda.
Yeah, the real panda. I don't like the stop toys. Galing kami dyan, guys. Ang dami ng pila, oh. Oh, ngayon, cable cart naman tayo. Tara, sakay tayo dyan. Entrance. Nasaan ka ngayon, Mac?
In a train.
Moving na yung train. Tingin ko malapit lang to. Oh, we're under the sea. This train go under the sea. We've been attacked by the giant octopus.
I think one is gonna leave.
Pabalik-balik lang pala yung train na yan dyan. We're going there na.
That looks so
Yan o. Mauta kayo ah. We don't need to buy your kapote. Use it, Spider-Man.
Hello guys, today we are at Ocean Park, Hong Kong!
So, you are not going to ride that?
No!
Bakit?
Ride that? No! That big thing? No! No, no, no! Remember the one that's pink? We go upside down, that's so scary.
But you ride the Olaf.
The Olaf. Yeah, the Olaf one was so fast but short, right?
Simon, are you ready? Yeah. How about you? You ready? Go, 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 go. Move, move, move. Faster, because I will ride also. Come on, Huy, move, move. Whoa! What?
Oh, ito na.
Hey, may malaki ba? May malaki? Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Let's go!
Guys, I just realized they took a free shower.
Yeah, I just take a bath. So far, so good. Yan ang pinaka-the best ride for me. So lahat kami magkakasama. And now we are going to ride here.
I'm not going to
The Hair Riser.
I'm not riding that.
Ice cream.
Let's ride. Come on, let's go. Yun o, sarap oh. Oh, that looks awesome, man. Thank you. Is this for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
Enjoy.
Sarap. Tikman mo yung ice cream ko. Sarap, no? Manggang mangga, no? Oh, that will be our next ride. Okay. Umiikot na, nagsuswing pa. Oh, para tatama sa bubong, oh. Oh. Ayan na nga, oh. Lumalaki na, oh. Lumalaki na, oh. Oh, yan, oh. Oh, nag-aikot, oh.
Before you die. Oh.
Oh, here comes the loop. He's starting to fit.
Oh. Oh, tara, tayo naman. Next. Let's go, buddy. You can do it. Ito, banata natin ito mamaya. Ito ba yung tumataas biglang bumabagsak? Pwede natin subukan ito mamaya. Ito, bagal lang, oh. Daan-daan yung taas, oh. Dito, kalaban mo, lula, no? Pinag-aagawan nyo si mami nyo.
Saan kayo umapit? Saan ako kukuha ng lakas?
Bala kayo dyan. Let's go! Nakasakay na kami.
多谢合作，
Hi, guys.
成晚正將取
Family, family. Woohoo! 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 Yay! Hoy, Max! Kumapit ka, Max! It's fun. Told you. Okay din dito, ah. Dito tayo. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the real life penguin.
I want a penguin.
May ko nakakita sa personal niyan. Sa Alaska, sa taas ng motor lang natin nakikita, di ba? Ito ang lapit, oh.
Closer, no?
Another penguin, oh.
May code, oh. May code yung pakpan.
Where are they gonna swim over there? Pupunta doon. Ayun, Max, oh. Lumangoy doon sa ilalim. Wala na. Ayun sila, oh. Super lamig dito, guys. Gira, ang lamig. Ito yung Arctic Fox natin, oh. Maliit pa sila. Tinitraining. Oh, chill. Ah, it's done now. What happened, Simon?
I don't want to go back.
What happened?
Nothing.
It's so fun. Wow, kinaya ni Ken, ah. Ang galing, ah.
Keep pushing me like,
Oh.
you're in summer.
We're going to encounter the North Pole experience. So what do we have here at North Pole? Wow. Oh, look.
Oh, teaching.
Wow. Galing. Oh. They're brushing their teeth. Oh. Ang bait, oh. Hindi nangangagat, oh. Kung yung sea lion nga, marunong mag-toothbrush, eh. Ikaw pa ba, Ken? What do you have here on the other side? They're swimming. $100 daw if you're going to feed them. Pinakain mo na sila, nagbayad ka pa, no? Is it good down there?
We didn't go all the way.
Hi! Ay, mami, laki, oh. Wow! Look, it's so huge. Ano yan, dugong?
Pacific Walrus. Tara.
Ayun nga pala, yan, oh. Pacific Wild Rose. So, hindi ka magkakamali dyan. Ayun, oh.
Naka-jump pa sila. Oh, nagpapapansin pa siya.
Laki, oh.
Grabe yung tunog niya ng buh. Oh?
Oh, galing, no?
Exercising.
Ano, ayos ka na?
Yeah, dito mga closer look.
Oo.
Hindi mo na kailangang mag-hunt.
Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng bundok or ng mountain, no? Just to see them. Andito na, oh.
Pero kailangan ko makita yung polar bear sa Greenland.
Oo, tara. Okay, dito kami sa ilalim ng mga spotted seals. Okay, we're out again. Ayan yung Arctic Glass, eh. Sarap niyan. So, ayun na nga, naubos na ang aming enerhiya ngayong araw na ito. At kami naman po ay pabalik na po doon sa kainan kung saan kami unang pumasok dito sa Ocean Park. Akala ko noon dito, yung bang ocean lang ang makikita mo? Ayun pala, napakarami mong ma-experience dito ng mga rides, mga kakaibang mga creatures. So, nakita natin yung mga penguin, sea lions, wala lang polar bear, eh. Sa rides naman, meron dalawang nakakatakot na rides dito. Yung rides na umiikot na ganun. Tapos yung nagtutwist-twist na parang mabilis na roller coaster. So minabuti namin na hindi na namin iyon puntahan dahil sa nakatakot na sumakay pa doon. Doon lang tayo sa safety pa rin natin kasi mas maganda pa rin nag-enjoy ka tapos everybody happy. Tsaka takot na rin silang sumakay doon. We have fun, Simon? I have fun. A lot. Happy kayo? Happy sila, bilang makasagot. So kung saan kami pumasok kanina, diyan kami lumabas, eh. Meron naman silang Ocean Express Summit Station. Hindi natin na-try yung cable cart. Sayang. May babalikan tayo dito. Sumakay ulit kami dito sa tren. Yan ulit. Kung ano yung napanood nyo kanina, kaya lang pabalik na to ngayon. Let's eat here. Ano to? Spring roll?
Yeah, spring roll.
And what's that?
Chicken.
Sarap niya na.
Come on, you try.
Kakaning. Yo, and we're done eating. You enjoy?
Yeah.
It's good to know.
I want to go back to the Philippines.
Let's go home tomorrow. We're going home. They buying ice cream, oh. So sweet. Uy, uy, is that mine? Uy, uy.
Share.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'll go first.
No, I think you should go first. You go first. Ah, wow. Looks cool, man. Oh, man. It's a panda. Whoa.
Okay, now it's death. You can't hear anything anymore.
Yeah. First bite?
Can someone open this?
Good.
Or why?
Gonna,
Yeah.
you're gonna watch yourself on the TV. Here. It's a panda.
Wow.
First bite.
You can try.
Mmm. It's so good.
I'll throw it.
Total trash. We're going out. Oh, nag-enjoy kami dito. Nag-enjoy ako. And I hope tong mga kids nag-enjoy din.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy ka?
Yeah. Like.
Be a good son and you will experience this monthly.
Wow.
Basta pala yung Ocean Park. Meron din tayo dito sa Pilipinas na ang alam ko sa ngayon sarado, and hopefully guys ay makapagbukas din yun kasi ang gandang experience na masubukan ng mga kabataan na next generation yung ganitong klaseng mga wildlife under the sea, experience sila yan. Tsaka yung mga matatanda na hindi na subukan na makasisid sa ilalim ng dagat. Dito kahit na paano, makikita mo yung under the sea na mga views. So, yun. Ang ganda experience. So, highly recommended guys. You should try.
Yes.
Yeah? Good for bata hanggang matanda. Pwedeng-pwede dito. Sweet. You want me to take a picture?
Okay.
Both of you?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will not get your phone. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You take a photo. You're more better. Yeah. Kissing scene. You're welcome. Yeah, from Philippines. This is my sons. Enjoy. Ma'am, dapat kahit matandaan tayo, ganun pa rin. Ha? Inong wala ka. Ay, imposible yun. Anyway guys, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko rito sa Ocean Park is hindi lang pala siya parke. Marami siyang activities na pwede mong gawin na para ka rin nagpunta ng Disneyland. Kaya lang, kakaiba, ang dami mong pwedeng sakyan, rides, views. Actually, kung nilinisin lang ng gusto to, yung bang magandang weather sana, mas magugustuhan ko to compare sa Disneyland. Kasi Disneyland is for kids talaga na mga bata yung nag-enjoy doon. Dito lahat all ages na. Kasi you'll experience the water, rides, food.
Also, features.
Yeah. Parang pang good for field trip. Andito na si Kabayan. What's up, Kabayan?
Opo, ito.
Nainip ka ba?
Yun na yung mga
Nahuli na!
walang mga project na
Yan! Ghost Project! Oh guys, welcome sa Hong Kong. Tignan nyo guys, yung mga bote nila naka-crate pang ganyan. No? Hanap nyo secured na bottle. Ito maganda, naka-crate. Astig! Pwede to sa atin